Hi and welcome to my video today. I will show you something about the HiFiMan HE-R9 today. These are actually dynamic driver headphones. Normally HiFiMan kind of used just making planar magnetic headphones. So I'm really wondering how they perform. Also they have like a closed back, they're not open, and they can be driven fully wireless with the Blue Mini adapter that you need to buy separately. The price about this was, when they released, was about 500 bucks. Right now you can kind of get them for 120, 130 bucks, depending on your location. Yes, I would say let's start right into it and unbox these. All right, here we go. Let's see. This is the package. Doesn't say that much. Just that it has like 32 ohms, 100 dB, so quite easy to drive. Yes, so it's 328 grams. I would say let's unpack these now. All right, here we go. Sure. Come. There we go. All right. So the guarantee card, little book, about the founder, how the driver looks. All right. I guess that's fine. Let's see. All right, here they are. Let's get them out. Quite shiny, looking quite nice. So that's our inside them. They don't have much of a shivel, as you can hear maybe. Make a sound. This looks nice, but it's quite hollow and plastic. That's the headband. Ooh, why can I not? Okay, it's a bit more hard to. Okay. All right, the plush headband. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So that's the cable with the adapter. So, all right, it's been a few days. I've been testing them. What can I say about them? First of all, they are some sort of special looking, I would call them. If you see, they are quite huge. I mean, my hand doesn't really fit above one ear cup. It's quite big. And if you put them on, you look like this. And what else I can say is, like, the glossy finish here, I like the color itself. It's just that sometimes you see like fingerprints on it quite well. So that's just something you need to be aware of. Otherwise, the headband, as in the previous videos, I told you that I'm not a fan of this quite static headband. That's just a little bit plush here. It's creating for me a hot spot on top after I wear it for a few hours. This may not affect you, but it's just something that affects me, so I will tell you this. Otherwise, the cups itself, they don't have much of a shivel, and they make a sound while doing this a bit. I mean, it's not that bad. They still fit well on my head. It's just something you need to be aware of. And the ear cups itself are nice and plushy. They have a fine mesh in the inside, and in the outside they have pleather. They are removable, so they're not glued. That's nice. Yeah, they have a 3.5 millimeter socket here, just standard. You can use also different cables if you're not happy with the cable that came with it. Also, the clamp force here is, as you can see, not that strong. I mean, it's there, but not strong. I find them comfortable to wear. Also, they fit quite well around my ear, because with the teardropped HiFiMan headphones, for example, or the bigger ones, I kind of had always like a little bit of a seal issue on the side of my jaw, because I rather have a small head. This may not affect you, of course, but in regards to comfortable wearing this, they are fine, except the headband, of course. I don't like it that much, but otherwise they are fine. All right, so sound-wise, what can I tell you? They are rather warm sounding. They have a lot of bass. I like a lot of bass, but, and here comes the but, they tend to overshadow a little bit of the mids. Like they have a lot of quantity bass, but not good quality bass. The treble is nice, but it has a little bit, on female voices, for example, a sharp side to it, making it a bit metallic. And yeah, also the soundstage is rather having like two boxes on your head, and you can feel when the music wants to go in the middle, you can feel the shift. And the middle box, I just call it box now, is rather narrow and small. The detail retrieval is okay. If I would personally recommend buying these, I would say it depends. I guess no. I would personally rather buy the HiFiMan HE-400 SE. For me, these are a better headphone, personal taste. And yeah, if you really want a closed back headphone, I mean, these are decent. They shield you around outside sounds a little bit, not that much, but a little bit. So it's always your choice what you want to pick. I can just tell you my honest opinion and do with that what you will. And yeah, I guess we are finished now, and I wish you a nice day and see you soon. Hit the like and subscribe button to see more. Ciao.